You can change the default settings for the size of the text by going into the Settings menu, scrolling down to find Accessibility Settings, then select the Display and Text Size option. There you'll find another option called Larger Text, which as you can see is currently set to off. Click on that and slide that slider button across to turn it on, and then down the bottom of the screen you'll see a slider which will allow you to adjust the size of the font to a level that makes reading much easier for you, and whatever you feel comfortable with you can leave it at that point, click back, and then that setting now is locked in for your device. That's how you change the default settings for text size on your device. For more accessibility features, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video.